Here we have Apex's design for Ram HD ball joints. These are very recently introduced as one of the most budget-friendly options on the market. These actually carry a lifetime warranty, and unlike typical parts store ball joints, they actually use a bearing style design internally, so they don't use the typical cheap nylon pin and cup design that most parts store ball joints use, actually making these a much more heavy-duty option at a very similar price point. So as a result, these are a great entry-level option for heavy-duty ball joints for these trucks. You'll find with Apex that the lower ball joints are all a knurled design. That is something that they designed with these ball joints to basically make it so the lower ball joint would press into trucks. I've also had a lot of ball joints pressed in the past. The upper ball joint is available in either a knurled or non-knurled design. These ball joints are not rebuildable like some of the other options on the market, but due to that lifetime warranty, if they wear out, you have the ability to replace them if Apex finds that they are wearing beyond what the standard threshold is. They are fully greasable as well, so maintenance-wise, it's nice being able to actually grease these ball joints as they wear over time, making these very easy to maintain as well. Really cool ball joint for the price point and a great starter option for an aftermarket ball joint for these Ram trucks. Here you'll find the lower ball joint with its knurled design. You can see the knurling. You can see the grease port on this lower ball joint as well. Here we have the upper ball joint. Nice beefy unit. You'll find the Zerk fitting for greasing this over time, and little rubber seal here as well to help keep dust out of the ball joint. So nice overall set of ball joints here, especially at the price point that Apex has these priced at, very competitive on the market. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are cross-shipping this with other options, we actually have another video we put together on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out. Kind of goes over the various options on the market. If there are any questions you feel we didn't answer with this video, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to answer any and all questions you might have to help get you the best ball joint option for your truck.